I have the OnePlus Watch 2, and let me show you how to update this watch. Now, the first thing you need to do to update it is connect it to a charger and make sure it's charging. Like that. And with the watch charging, you can now go home and then now go to settings. As usual, swipe down and tap on the settings icon. This takes you to this main settings page, and on this main settings page, scroll down until you get to system updates. Tap on that, and now it's going to automatically start downloading an update as long as it's connected to a charger. So just place your watch down and be patient and wait for that update to finish downloading. Might take a while, of course, depending on the speed of your internet. So it seems the download of the update is taking longer than I expected. So I'm just going to pause the video and come back when the update is complete. But that's basically how to update it.